Ductless split systems are the most popular air conditioning option in the world with good reason. We think you'll be surprised by how well they solve so many of the problems created by other types of air conditioning solutions, and by how quiet, efficient, and versatile they are for residential and commercial use. They're even perfect for sunrooms, additions, historic homes, attics, and garages. Ductless systems also eliminate one of the most common indoor air quality concerns: dust, debris, mold, and mildew entering your air supply from your ductwork. So why Friedrich? Friedrich's floating air ductless indoor units are literally as quiet as a library. The compressor stays outside, so all you'll hear indoors is the ultra-quiet fan. And they're designed with high-efficiency inverter technology that does a better job of reaching the desired temperature and maintaining it. Inverter technology uses less energy. That's great for the environment and your wallet. Our ductless split systems have energy efficiency ratings up to 28 SEER, and many are ENERGY STAR qualified. And unlike ducted systems, ductless split systems don't lose up to 40% efficiency because of duct loss. If faster cooling is important to you, Friedrich's models are designed with the surge cooling option that will run the unit on maximum cooling for 30 minutes. Our product designs optimize airflow and use auto swing louvers to deliver powerful cooling throughout your space. Best of all, Friedrich Ductless is designed to blend in with your decor. Indoor units feature a neutral palette, and some models can be almost entirely concealed from view when installed. Friedrich's ductless split systems come in thousands of configurations, from wall-mounted to ceiling cassette and even concealed models. You can independently condition up to 4 different zones from a single outdoor unit. Not only does this mean ultimate comfort, but also more energy control by only cooling or heating the zones that are in use. So, whether you need something for 400 square feet or 2,500 square feet, cooling only or a model that heats too, Friedrich has a quiet, money-saving option for you. Ductless split systems from Friedrich are one of the quietest, most efficient air conditioning or heating solutions available. Visit your local retailer to learn more.